What's up, everybody? We're going to talk about a router planing sled. Purpose behind it is to stop the rock in your piece of wood that you're trying to plane, because obviously if it's rocking through your planer, it's going to not be right. And you see that we have play in it, so we need to adjust that. Just use some sandpaper, hold it in place and keep those the trick. Some people like to use double-sided tape to hold their material in place. Just doing this is fine. Melamine is a good source for a sled. You're going to want a front and back stop just in case something happens. Kickback, at least it's catching up so it won't come flying back at you. But now that you see that I have my sandpaper in place, the rock is gone. Just about it. I'm going to hit this front corner here. And now, as we run it through, we'll get this side completely flat. We can do away with the sled, flip our material over, and run it through normally. But that's the importance behind a router sled. Hope you found it informative.